If r vector is the resultant of a and b vector, theta is the angle between a and b vector, then find out maximum and minimum value of this resultant vector. Now formula of mod r vector, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. When theta is 0, it means a and b vector are parallel to each other. Then mod r vector is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, because cos 0 is 1. So square root a plus b whole square. So it is a plus b, and that is the maximum value of r. If theta is 180, it means a and b vector are anti-parallel. Then mod r is equal to square root a square plus b square minus 2ab, because cos 180 is minus 1. So square root a minus b whole square. So answer is a minus b, and that is the minimum value of r. Thank you.